These are very important questions, Your Honor. The public should know this. First question ko, kung natuloy itana itong mga proyekto na ito, could have this help solve the problems in Metro Manila? Kasi nandito yung Metro Manila Flood Control Project at saka yung Pasig Marikina Channel Improvement. Second, did Secretary Bunuan reported this to the President? Kasi kung 2024 pa lang, na zero na yung ODA, sana hindi na mangyari yung 2025. Di ba? Last question, can we still avail of those loans? Kasi nagbayad na tayo ng commitment fee. So, Secretary Vincison, I know you are a finance guy also. Sayang yung long term, kaya nga malalaki yun, big ticket, long term project. Saka ito, may study talaga, kumpleto. Pwede ba natin i-reavail yun? At saka yung maliliit na project, yun na lang gawin nating Government of the Philippines counterpart. I hope we can do that.
Sir, tama po kayo, no? Napaka-importante po ng ating mga flagship projects, no? Gago na po yung mga foreign funded. Pipilitin po namin, no, na siguraduhin na makahabol tayo ngayong 2026 dito po sa ating mga foreign assisted projects.